In this part, we are going to implement the approve functions. And remember, with approve, the transfer happen in 2 steps, and the owner call the approve and give it the approved address of the new owner and token ID that you want them to take. And the new owner calls transfer from with the token ID, and next contract check to make sure the new owner has been already approved, and then transfer them the token. And because this happened in 2 function call, and we need to use the zombie approvals data structure to store who's been approved for what in between function calls. And the first thing is, in the approve functions, we want to make sure only the owners of the token can give someone approve to take it. So we need to add the only owners modifier to the approve functions. So we copy this modifier and paste to here, and then we have to pass the token ID. And then the next step is define the function here. For the body of the functions, set the zombie approvals and the token ID, and which should be the square bracket, and we paste the token ID, and then which is equal to approved, and then we add the underscore and we check the answer, and we can go to next chapter.